Somebody's got the hiccups. I wonder who it is. Hi, baby. Hi, baby.
Yeah. Okay. Okay, hon.
Who is it? Is somebody calling us? I wonder who it is. I bet it's somebody else to say, "Aw, Colin's so cute." It's Aunt Tammy. She wants to make bok choy chicken. Drool monster. Who's got Colin? Is that the grandma? Are you gonna walk? Who's there? It's Aunt Kim. That's who's texting us now. She liked the picture we just sent. It's her screensaver now. Say hi, Aunt Kim. Hi, Great Grandma. Hi, Grandpa and Grandma. Hi, whoever else watches this. See, that's the point of the mama. Walk across the bed. It's Attack of the Monster Baby. Hi, baby. Oh no, he fell down.
The turtle baby.
Are you gonna swim? Swim for it. Swim for it. Kick those feet. Colin. Hi, baby. Oh, I'll just go to sleep. It's past your bedtime.
See, I had a late nap, Mom.
Say good night, everybody. I'm going to bed.